3 phrases to avoid if you want to manifest your dreams successfully. The journey to turning your dreams into reality begins with the words you speak and the thoughts you nurture. The language you use plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset and the energy you project into the universe. Even seemingly innocent phrases can create mental roadblocks that hinder your progress. By understanding how your words impact your manifestations, you can align your thoughts with your goals and accelerate your success. As highlighted in Isaiah 57, verse 19, I create the fruit of the lips, peace, peace to him that is far off, and to him that is near, saith the Lord, and I will heal him. This verse reinforces the transformative power of words, showing that what we speak can bring peace and healing into our lives. In this discussion, we'll uncover 3 common phrases that may be blocking your manifestations and explore empowering alternatives to reshape your mindset for success. 1. Replace I hope with I know. The word hope introduces uncertainty. When you say I hope, you subtly signal doubt about the outcome, weakening your belief in its realization. The law of attraction teaches that you attract what you focus on, and uncertainty can attract more uncertainty. Instead, shift your language to I know. This simple change reinforces confidence, strengthening your belief that your dreams are already on their way. Saying, I know I will achieve this, creates a mindset of certainty, aligning your energy with success and opening doors to opportunities that support your goals. 2. Replace I need with I am abundant. The phrase I need conveys lack, focusing your attention on what is missing rather than what is possible. This scarcity mindset can block abundance, keeping you in a cycle of wanting rather than receiving. Transform this perspective by saying, I am abundant. This shift directs your focus toward gratitude and appreciation for what you already have, which in turn attracts more blessings into your life. For instance, instead of saying, I need more money, declare, I'm abundant in opportunities and financial growth. This mindset encourages an openness to wealth and success rather than a fixation on what is lacking. 3. Replace I can't with I can. I can't is one of the most limiting phrases you can use, reinforcing self-doubt and restricting your potential. Whether these limitations stem from past experiences or fear of failure, this phrase creates a mental barrier that prevents growth. By replacing I can't with I can, you empower yourself to embrace challenges with confidence. Affirming I can accomplish this sets the stage for action and perseverance. This shift in language fosters resilience, encouraging you to pursue your goals with determination and an unwavering belief in your abilities. Conclusion: your words shape your reality. By eliminating limiting phrases and adopting empowering affirmations, you set yourself up for success. The Bible reminds us in Mark 11:23-24 that when we ask without doubt, we receive. James 1:6-8 warns against wavering in faith, likening doubt to a restless sea. Choosing words that reflect certainty and belief strengthens your manifestations, aligning your mindset, actions, and energy with your desires. Start making these small but impactful changes today, and watch as your reality transforms in ways you never imagined. If you enjoyed this message, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more messages like this.